Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Publix and we are about to get into another fire week of deals. Now I'm over here in the baby section because it's next to the aisle that I'm trying to get to, the stuff that I'm trying to get to, but we're not buying anything over here. But you guys, this is a good week at Publix, so let's get started. So first up, let's talk about these famous Amos cookies. You want to get the 12 packs this week because they are a super duper moneymaker. So we want to grab a total of 4 of them to max this deal out. With the buy one get one free sale, that means we're going to pay out $16.98. So $16.98 with no coupons. We're going to pay that out of pocket, but you guys, we're getting back $12 on each set of 2 on Swagbucks. So that's going to give us $24. You can also submit over to Inbox Dollars, to Die, any of those sister sites. Then we're also going to submit over to Checkout 51 for $8.48 to 12 back on each set of 4. So minus $8.48. You guys, that is going to be a $15.50 moneymaker for these 4 sets. We also have a nice deal on the bags of Famous Amos cookies. So these are $4.39, buy one get one free. So pick up 2 of them for $4.39, submit over to Swagbucks for $4, makes each set just 39 cents. So I told you guys on TikTok a couple days ago that this deal was coming on the water. If you are not following me on TikTok, please make sure you are following me on TikTok because we're going to be doing a lot of TikTok in this year. So we're going to grab a total of 4 cases of the water. I already grabbed these at another store because I knew that my store was going to be out. So $4.49 times 4 with the buy one get one free sale. We're going to pay half of that. That's going to be $8.98 for 4 cases. But we got this 5 off of 15 digital coupon that's going to take off $5, making our in-store costs $3.98 or 99 cents each. But it gets better, you guys, because you want to submit over to that No Dry January rebate. I did test out that rebate, and last week it gave me full credit even though I used a coupon. So I'm thinking it'll probably do the same. This week we'll have to see. But you want to submit over there because if you get some money back from that rebate, these are a possible moneymaker. Let me show you the first transaction that I already did after I dropped my son off from school. So I thought in this transaction that I was going to get some free hair care products because my store that I was at had a ton of Dove products on clearance, and we have this 5 off of 3, but that digital did not come off on these products, so they're not attached to these products in the system, so I put those back. But after putting those back, I got the 4 Famous Amos bags, the 4 12 packs, and 4 packs of water. My total was $29.74. This is an all digital deal. Then you guys, I got back $32 from Inbox Dollars because I used that one instead of Swagbucks. I'm going to use Swagbucks when I do this deal again. Then I submitted over to Checkout 51 and I got my money back there. So with just Checkout 51 and Inbox Dollars, you guys, that was a $10.74 moneymaker. And if I get back the $5 water rebate, that's a $15.74 moneymaker just on this card. Next that we're grabbing is on the Fiji water. So these are $2.79, buy one get one free, but Ibotta is giving us back $2.49 on 2, making our final cost just 15 cents per bottle for Fiji, you guys. Next thing we're grabbing is 4 more of the Clorox. I also did this deal on TikTok, but we're going to grab 4 of these for $3.99. So 4 of these are going to total me up to $15.98 before a coupon. I'm going to be using a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, and I am going to be using a 2 $1 printable coupons from the Clorox website. So after these coupons, I'm going to pay out $11.98, but I'm going to submit over to Swagbucks for $11, making these just 25 cents each for the bleach, which is a definite stalker price. Since we are making so much money with the cookies this week, I'm going to go on ahead and grab some Bounty paper towels. So these are on sale for $11.79. I have a $1 Publix coupon from the Special Olympics little flyer that they have at the registers when you donate like $1. And so I'm going to use that $1 coupon, and then we also have a $1 digital coupon, so that'll bring me down to $9.79, and then we got $4 back on Ibotta, which will make my final cost $5.79 for the 6-pack. Now I'm gonna grab more silk almond milk. We grabbed some of this last week and now it's BOGO this week. So these are buy one, get one for $3.69. We have 150 coupons in front of the product. So at the register, we'll pay out 69 cents after our coupons when we buy two. But I'm gonna submit over for $1.50 on Ibotta. Should make these an 81-cent money maker. Now we're gonna grab two Pillsbury biscuits. These are $3.69, buy one, get one free. I have $1 off a two digital coupon. That will make them two for $2.69. And then you want to check Fetch Rewards to see what you have there, because that could turn this into a better deal. I am not grabbing any more Country Crock because I'm just Country Crock out, you guys. But the Country Crock is a really good deal this week. Pick up two for $3.39. Use two of the $1.50 printable coupons that you can get when you sign up on the Country Crock website. That'll make them just 19 cents each. For the Ready Whip, I was going to just grab a total of 3 of them. Because I live in half BOGO, I do not have to buy them in even numbers. And we have a 5 off of 20 digital coupon that applies to these. So 3 of them at $6.99 before the sale would put me over the $20 mark. Now I ended up having to add a 4th one in because I also had a $1 digital coupon that was bumping the $5 coupon off. It was not combining with it. So if you have this $1 digital coupon clipped, then you're gonna need to grab a total of 4. So when you pick up a total of 4 before the sale, that totals you up to $27.96. Divide that by 2, that'll be $13.98. And then you'll save $5 with that 5 off of 20 and another $1 with the $1 digital, making them $1.99 each for the big cans. Now, if you don't have that $1 digital clipped and you live in half BOGO, you can just buy 3 in this deal. Now let's grab some General Mills cereal. So I'm gonna get 2 for $4.62. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that'll make it 2 for $3.62. Got $1 back on Ibotta that'll make it 2 for $2.62. And then of course check Fetch Rewards to see if you can make that cheaper. The Ragu is $2.46, buy one get one free. I'm gonna pick up a total of 4. I'm gonna be using the $1 off of 2 coupon. It's gonna make them $1.46 for each set of 2. The Mueller's pasta is on sale for $1.25 each. We got 40 cents back on Ibotta. Gonna make our final cost just 85 cents per box. So I just noticed this banner that says save $10 when you buy some beer products, but it also says 2 12-packs of Coke, you guys. And the 12 packs of Coke are buy 2 get 1 free this week. So are y'all smelling what I'm smelling? I'm gonna try something out real quick. So I'm gonna buy these in a separate transaction so that I can do this rebate. I will have this rebate link for you in the description box. But these 12 packs are $9.29, buy 2 get 1 free. So I'm gonna pick up a total of 3 of them for $18.58. Minus that $10 rebate, I should end up paying $8.58 for 3 of them, you guys. $8.58 divided by 3, that should be $2.86 per 12 pack. Not bad at all. We're gonna try that out. And just quick disclaimer with this rebate, I am not sure that this rebate is gonna work out. I have never done a Miller Coors rebate before, so I'm not sure what their process is at all. But just looking at the verbiage of this rebate, I think it's gonna work out, which is why I'm willing to take a chance on it. But definitely read all the fine print and do your due diligence if you were going to test this one like me. One deal I forgot to do while I was in store, I gotta go back and do it, is on the Dole frozen fruit. So if you have this $3 digital coupon, I planned on picking up 1 bag for $4.99, their $9.99 regular price. After the $3 digital, it'll just be $1.99. I picked up 2 packages of Royal Rice just so I could knock out 2 more Ibotta rebates for my midweek and my resolutions bonus. So I got 1 that counted for each type of offer. These were on sale for $1.67 each, and we also have $1 back on 2 on Shop Mium. Then last deal up, I picked up a total of 3 of the Ben & Jerry's, but of course if you live in True BOGO in Florida, then you would want to pick up 4 for this deal. But I'm picking up a total of 3 for $5.99, and we're going to be using the 5 off of 15 digital coupon for Unilever products. So after the buy one get one free sale, the total for 3 would be just $8.98. We are going to save $5 with this digital coupon, makes our final cost just $1.32 per pint. So this is everything that I ended up picking up in my second 2 transactions. This was a beautiful haul at Publix this week. Total spent out between all three of my deals, I paid out $118.56. Got a total back from Swag Bucks and Inbox Dollars of $67. And on my second receipt that I submitted over to Swag Bucks, I did have to put in a ticket because it shorted me $3 on the cookies because one of my cookies rang up as a bag. It was really weird. It gave me $4 for the Famous Amos bags and then $17 for the boxes. So I was $3 short there, so I had to put in a ticket for that $3, but I'm sure that that will work out. If not, I'll just return it to recoup that $3. Then I got back the $16.96 total from checkout 51. I'm getting back $17.29 for my Ibotta because I should also hit my resolution bonus or whatever that is when it processes. I submitted over for that $10 Coors rebate, and then I submitted for $4 on ShopMim, and I got back $1.78 from Fetch. That makes my final cost for everything $1.53. And then if I get back the $5 for the water rebate, I'm not sure how that's going to process, but if I get back another $5 there, this transaction, everything that we got in both deals, so all of the water, all of the cookies, everything that you see in this cart will be free plus a $3.47 moneymaker. So yes, y'all, another good week at Publix. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have not already, I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.